I'm Elodie, the co-founder of Le Rouge Français, a plant-based makeup brand. We are using dying plants instead of chemical ingredients or unsustainable ones. So I wanted every cell to regenerate the planet. That's why I chose handprint. It was so simple to set up. You create an account and you choose the impact you want to create in the world. Now, every time a customer orders from us, 1% goes to plant baby mangrove trees. The best part is, it's increasing my conversion rate by 25%. I can literally grow my business faster by regenerating the planet. It's a great win-win. We chose reforestation because it really resonates with your brand. It's easy, automated, and transparent. As they check out, customers see the positive impact that their purchase is going to have on the planet. We can see in real time how much every contribution benefits the planet. In terms of carbon absorption, social impact, biodiversity, and we even receive pictures every week from the project. We don't have so much time left against climate change. Start growing with the planet.